Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In this episode, we're going to talk about getting your business bank account. So getting a business bank account is the next step in the process. After you've gotten your DBA and you've got your business license, then you want to get your business bank account. So to get your business bank account, you do have to have your business license, and I recommend getting your business bank account with the same bank that you do your regular checking. The reason I like to do this is because it's easier in terms of time, and also for doing a transfer of cash from my business bank account to my checking. It's much easier to just do that with the same bank. And like I said, as far as time is concerned, you don't have to go to one bank, deposit your checks at the end of the week, or if you're doing it daily, and then go over to your other bank to do whatever other banking services you need done. So like I said, if you're going to open up a business bank account, you are going to need your DBA, you're going to need your business license, and of course you're going to need your driver's license. And then they'll go ahead and open up your business bank account. And the nice thing also about opening up a business bank account is they're probably also going to offer you business credit. And usually you can get up to a $10,000 business line of credit with your business bank account, which is nice if you need to purchase like a water-fed pole system, or if you need to buy a new vehicle for your business. It's nice to have a line of credit that high so that you can keep your business operating and functioning the way you need to if you haven't quite saved up the money to buy those things. Now, I personally don't like to use credit, and so I don't recommend you actually using the business credit, but it is nice to know that it's there if you ever need it. Although if you're just starting out, I don't recommend doing that. I recommend you getting into the business, earning your money and saving your money, and then buying the equipment. And at least by that point, you know that this business is going to work for me and I am going to make back all my money. And then at that point in the future, if you feel like you need to access that credit, then I would do so at that time, because you already know that I can make money in this window cleaning business and I will have no problem paying this money back. Otherwise, I do not recommend you doing that. I'm not a believer in buying things on credit. I like to know that things work and that I can spend my own money to make it work. The other really important thing about having a business bank account is when it comes time for taxes. So when you go out and you clean windows and you get paid daily, and then whenever you want to deposit, always deposit it into your business bank account first. And then you can always do a transfer into your personal checking. And the nice thing about that is you have a complete record of all your earnings from your business, so that if you ever get audited by the IRS, and also when you go to do your taxes at the end of the year, you can look at that business bank account and make sure that all your numbers line up correctly, and you can see how much you actually earned, and then do your taxes. And then if you do get audited by the IRS, you can just say, well, here's my business bank account, here are all my earnings. It's all here, it's all in order, and it's all taken care of, which makes your life a whole lot easier. Now, you definitely want to get a business license and a DBA and get a business bank account and do it all legitimate, so that you don't have any problems with the IRS, you don't have any problems with doing your taxes, and that you have the ability to have a business line of credit. All that's so important for setting up your business the right way and being successful in business. This is just the ABCs, this is just the basics, right? This is like the fundamentals, and you should be able to do that with no problem. And if you're not willing to do that, then prepare for some headaches down the road, because they will come and you will have problems if you don't set up your business the right way. So when you do get your business bank account, be sure to get some business checks and also get your business bank card. And then always use that business bank card for all your purchases as well. That's the other nice thing about having a business bank account, is that you can also track all your expenditures through that business bank account. And so when you go to do your taxes, everything you buy for your business is a write-off, and you can write that off on your taxes. And so what better way to do that than with your business bank card, right? And then everything that you buy from that account was used for business. It's a business expenditure. It just makes tracking all that stuff so much more easier. And then when you do your taxes, or if you do have an issue with the IRS, it's all right there. All your problems are a lot simpler. So always use your business bank card or business checks when purchasing anything, as it is a write-off for your business, which you are going to want because it means saving you more money at tax time. The other nice thing about the business bank account is so that when you do have to send an invoice and someone's going to pay you via invoice or check, and let's say it's a commercial account, then you want to have that business name that they're writing it out to that makes you look even more legitimate, as opposed to your own personal name. Now, people can write out checks to your personal name, but it looks really professional when you're like, oh yeah, just make the check out to Sun Window Cleaning, or whatever your business name is. And then they know that you are definitely a legitimate business. You have a business license, you have a DBA, you have a business bank account, you have liability insurance. It just makes you look so professional, and it's just going to open up so many more opportunities to you as a business, and they're going to be more willing to take you seriously, and then also recommend you to other people, or even, like if it's a commercial business, they're going to be more willing to recommend you to another business, even though commercial businesses don't have a high track record of doing that. But that's when they probably would, when they know that you're a legitimate business. And then if it's a customer, like a residential customer, they're definitely going to be like, yeah, this place is legitimate. This isn't just some fly-by-night guy. This is a legitimate business with a legitimate name and everything. So that's where all that credibility comes into play, and that's easy to get when you just set everything up the right way. So if you found this information useful and helpful, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my window cleaning community here on YouTube. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also show YouTube that you find this content useful. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if there's anything you need to know more about or something I didn't cover. And go to windowcleaningdude.com, where you can find all this information and more for free. And there you'll find how to start your window cleaning business start to finish and everything in between, how to do window cleaning and how to use all the equipment, where to find the equipment. Everything you need to know is on windowcleaningdude.com, and it's all free. Thank you for joining me in this episode. I will see you in the next episode. Have a great day.